Can GIMP split an image into multiple images? I've been scanning a lot of photos recently, more than one at a time. I now have multiple JPEGs, each containing multiple photos. Can I, using GIMP, split a JPG into 3 smaller files? What I used to do is copy the JPG 3 times, and crop a different picture in each copy. There must be an easier way to do this. Edit, is there a plugin that can do that? I've looked around, but only found plugins that cut an image into pieces of equal size.
Image Magic. It's a command line tool but amazingly powerful and flexible, so worth the effort to learn it. For example, where 1024 by 1024 is the width and height of the required crop. +0 are X and Y offsets into the original image. You can stick dozens of these commands into a SMD file and run them effortlessly. Look at the ImageMagick documentation to see there are thousands of options to these commands. A very powerful tool and open source too.
You can do it like this. Rectangle, select an image. Edit in GT, copy. Edit in GT, paste as in GT, new image. You can divide an image in GIMP in a row-column way with guide rows and the guillotine, paper cutter, tool. From GIMP User Manual. In addition to the image grid, GIMP also gives you a more flexible type of positioning aid, guides. These are horizontal or vertical lines you can temporarily display on an image while you are working on it. To create a guide, simply click on one of the rulers in the image window and pull out a guide, while holding the mouse button pressed. The guide is then displayed as a blue, dashed line, which follows the pointer. As soon as you create a guide, the Move tool is activated and the mouse pointer changes to the Move icon. The guillotine command slices up the current image, based on the image's guides. It cuts the image along each guide, similar to slicing documents in an office with a guillotine, paper cutter, and creates new images out of the pieces. You can access this command from the image menu bar through Image and GT, Transform and GT, Guillotine.
In order to make it quickly, you can use Ctrl+D to duplicate the image, Shift+C to crop the images, Ctrl+S to save.